Hey everyone, John and Anne-Marie here with a nice little food review. We have a couple of the items here from the Universal Holiday Tribute Store right over here in Hollywood. I got the roast beast peanut butter. And Anne-Marie, what did we get over here?
This is the Pooh Hash, which is a vanilla cake, vanilla buttercream with a cranberry gelée filling.
So we got our spoons right here. And we're going to dig into this wonderful Pooh Hash.
Does not seem like the paper is edible paper.
Here, hold on. Before we do that, get a close look at that right there. Got the little peas and stuff on top.
I like how on yours, like it has a little bone coming out.
Oh yeah, just to show you here. This is the roast beef right here, and it has even a little bone coming out.
Yeah, this definitely doesn't seem like it is edible.
No,
paper.
I mean there's plastic on the outside here too.
Well, this is to keep the cake together.
Yes. All right. There we go.
The buttercream is not very sweet, which I like.
No. The little balls are very hard.
Like the things that are supposed to be peas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very much stale peas.
Trying to get some of the cranberry.
Ooh. Where's the cranberry?
It's like in the middle. It's like underneath here.
Is it? Okay. I'm not hitting that at all.
Yeah, it's like right in the middle.
Of course.
Yeah, I see it now.
Oh.
Ow.
Feels great on your teeth. All right, so this is some of the
cranberry, finally. But yeah, it does kind of has the consistency of honey.
Just to show you. Really, not a lot of cranberry there.
Yeah, and like it was really deep in the. And like even when you get it, it doesn't have like much of a flavor. Oh,
No.
see, it's all like sunk to the bottom. See?
I don't even know that's at the bottom.
No, I mean like see how it's like. To the
Oh,
bottom.
again. Looks like honey.
And I don't get much cranberry flavor.
No. The flavor of this it's like very one tier.
Yeah. I was expecting a lot more of this.
Yeah. I was too. Probably would not get this again. I know you don't like peanut butter. Would you at least try it a little bit?
Well, why don't you crack it open first?
All right, let's crack.
Or why don't you just bite it?
Hold on. I'm gonna try this way. Okay, I'm just gonna bite it. Has consistent, like Reese's peanut butter.
It's like a peanut butter cup. Yeah, it tastes just like a peanut butter cup.
A little bit of peanut butter. This actually has more flavor than the Pooh Hash does. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's like a giant peanut butter cup.
Yeah.
I even dare to say it probably has more filling than like a normal peanut butter cup does.
It's funny. The consistency, it's like a little bit like
It's
grittier.
a little gritty. Like you can see it on here. Like there's like, it's not like a creamy peanut butter.
There you go.
It's almost like a not totally crunchy, but more of a crunchy peanut butter than
Yeah. Yeah, it has a bit of like a texture to
yeah.
it.
As a peanut butter fan, what do you think?
Presentation is also thumbs up. We'll get this again. This,
Yeah, I would pass on if you want like the gimmick of getting like a Pooh Hash can, okay, but the cake itself wasn't. The cake was kind of dry. Like I was expecting more of the filling, and the filling wasn't really there, and the filling wasn't what I expected it to be.
Yeah. If you want some like legit good who hash, go to Seuss Landing, and you can actually get a can that you can actually keep, and it actually has it printed and not just a piece of paper. So yeah, this is our food review of the roast beast and the who hash.